and what's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make like this animation. First of all, you have to install this application and open it, then click on new project. Select a picture that you have in your gallery and which must have sky in background like this. And click on sky menu. There are lots of sky effects. Choose anyone as you want. In these applications there are lots of features like elements. Let's see. Wow, such a wonderful and beautiful elements. Like here you can see a butterfly and another. Choose one of them and you can adjust brightness like here. You can resize the effects by dragging with your two fingers. You can increase and decrease the animation duration, and you can choose the animation resolutions. So all the process done, and click export button and your video animation will be saved on your device. So how is the video guys? Do comment and subscribe my channel.